Welcome everyone. My name is Prathamesh Yadav. I am studying in BTech final year in CS branch. Today in this video I will be discussing my computer vision FA2 project, that is Smart Agricultural Monitoring System using CNN and Hough Transforms. So in this project we have trained a CNN model upon a dataset. The dataset contains some bird's eye or we can say drone's view captured some field images. So what that model does is that uh, depending upon the images, it uh, it identifies the area as a stressed or healthy upon the parameter that we have given. There are multiple parameters, and so according to that, it performs a bounding box on that regions. So we will be diving into the code now. So this is the code. Here we can see that I have imported some libraries, that is pandas, to read our data sets, then sklearn for our model, tensorflow, and then keras for our models. So we will see our CSV file now. uh, Here we have imported our CSV file and our training images folder. First I would like to show the uh, CSV file because there are some fields. So here we can see that the CSV file contains the name of the images of, and then there is the xmin, ymin, xmax, ymax. So these are the coordinates that on the images. So according to that coordinates, it will form a box. So here it is written that the box is healthy or it is stressed. Currently these have only two parameters, that is healthy and stressed. Yeah, so further we can add some more, like it is infected or something like that. So uh, as we can see that here for the single images there are multiple healthy region and then multiple stressed region. So depend what our model does is that it gets each of the boxes, and according to that it uh, trains itself on the healthy and the stressed images. So this I talk about the CSV file. Now here we have done the pre-processing of our data set, like iterating. We have iterated the CSV file here. The file name is the row name of the files, and after that we have like taken out the coordinates, and according to that we have cropped the image and appended that. And here we have given that 1 for stressed and 0 for healthy, as we have only two parameters right now. So this is what all it does, and it is trained on about 4000 images. So we will move on to our next part now, that is our CNN model. After pre-processing we have trained our CNN model. So here we can see that we have called our CNN model, and here various layers are performed, like the first layer detects the edges, that is example the boundary of the leaf. Second layer detect the shapes, like shape of the leaves or any stems, like that. The third layer is a bit complex, that is because it detects some of the patterns, like healthy green or something like dull or spots. So now we have given some size, and we just printed the summary of the model. And here we have trained the model on the basis of the output that was generated here, that is the thing that we appended earlier. So here we have about 20 epochs, and the batch size is 32. The more the epoch, and batch size is the like dividing our 4000 images into like 30 in a batch of 32. So accordingly, epoch is set. The more the number of epoch, the more nicely our model will be trained, because multiple time that will be trained. So after running that we have our like output here. We can see here accuracy is about 0.9, and some losses are also there. So after training, we have just printed the net accuracy of our model. Here we can see that our net accuracy is around 0.89 and loss is around 0.55. And now moving to our next block, along with CNN we have also implemented the GANs. We have also trained the descriptor and discriminator and generators, so that it can get some synthesized images, and so that it can also differentiate between the fake ones and the real ones. The generator generates the fake images and train its discriminators, so that our what we can say, the accuracy of our model will increase. Now as our training is finished and we have also enhanced our model using GANs, now it is time to use that model. After the matplot library, we can use here, like we have defined a function where our model is passed and our image path is passed, and the df is our name of our CSV file, and the uploaded image firstly get pre-processed and it gets resized, then it is normalized and basic things. And here we are using our CNN model, so it predicts on the classes, like which class it will be. So if the prediction is greater than 0.5, then it will be healthy, because 1 represents the healthy, and if it is 0, then it will come under stressed. So now to visualize, we will use the IMShow function, that is we will choose an original image, and same here, like we will draw the boxes here, so that it will not draw the boxes, but it will crop the images and show that. And here we are passing our the path of the image to the function. The currently image is passed, so we can see that the image, the prediction is stressed. And if we change image then and run it, then we can see that the prediction is healthy. It is different image, not the same one. So that's all. Thank you.